So admire this beautiful truck, y'all. It's a beauty. I love this classic star white over caribou. That two-tone color scheme is money to me. The black over gold is killer too. We got Brian Waters coming through here. Look at this. Look at Brian Waters. Look at Brian. Brian Waters with a little camera time here today. So star white over caribou. We got a 3.5" SST kit. I love this setup, y'all. I really love this stance. Jesse does too. This setup to me is just so classic and vintage. This tire is just one of the best mud terrain tires there is. I really do like it. I'm gonna get out the way so we can take a look. So just a classic tried and true. And then this wheel is one of my favorite wheels again. I love the King Ranch logo. And because of that, we got King Ranch guys on the jacket, on the shirt. So we are looking at offering some King Ranch clothing at our Wildwoody showroom. So keep that in mind. If you would like to see that, let us know that maybe we can get that done. We'd like to get some King Ranch clothing in our showroom. But as far as my beanie, I had a matching Yeti hat, but I had to take it off because it's freezing cold. And I've got a customer. Brian Waters with a little screen time. Look at the man right here.
What time it is?
What time is it?
Time to ramble on.
There we go. I'm not going to edit that. Brian's going to be in the video for sure. I love that. I love that. Anyway, I got a follower of ours from Arizona sent me this Georgia swag with some other Georgia swag. So I really appreciate that. It's very cold today, so I wanted to wear it to show our appreciation for people reaching out and supporting us. So much love there. But the star white, it's not sunny, but this is that tri-coat metallic, just like on that 450 we just did. And the caribou is a classic color too. The King Ranch, you've got all the convenience features, LED headlights, front camera, on and on and on. So if you want to see a review of this truck, this is not the video. This video is simply to show you a great looking truck on a 3.5" kit with some woodland tire action. What I'm also wanting to show you guys is we've had issues from our R&D on what will work on a factory wheel with a 35" tall tire. So this wheel in particular has the correct offset to run a 35" tall tire with this particular setup. The offset is just right. Some of the other sport wheels, if you put a 35" tall tire, it does not work, simply because the offset is more pushed in and it rubs your upper control arm. So Jesse, come in here and show them this upper control arm. So typically, if you do not run the right setup, you'll rub on the front part of the upper control arm right there. And this tire is actually a metric tire, so 295, 65, 20. So it's a 35.1 by 11.6. So you get into the details, we like to look at the details. So the metric tire size is great. You do a 35, 12.5, 20, or 11.5, 20, it's not truly a 35" tall tire, it's a 34.6. So this is a legit 35" tall tire. We get a lot of questions about crash bars, so I want to show you guys also, we did not have to trim or cut the crash bar. So your crash bar front and rear is still intact on this setup. So from a safety standpoint, we like to keep things intact if at all possible. So this is a great setup all the way around. 3.5" kit right here at Aikens. Now I want to grab the camera and I just want, this is kind of unscripted, I want Jesse to maybe tell us a little bit about the King Ranch truck or the 150 or where you can find him at to come buy this bad boy.
Shoot, why not? Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. So, shoot, why not? I just got into selling here, honestly, about less than 2 months ago. So, like, I'm in a whole new ball game now, selling cars and stuff. But on the King Ranch, man, I mean, you got a really good package on it. You got the really nice, I want to say Java. I don't know if they call it Java or Java interior on it. It's the best interior Ford's got to offer on any. In my opinion, it's the best interior on any truck. King Ranch, F250, 450, anything. I love it. You got the two-tone. You got the power running boards. King Ranch wheels, everything like that. It's just a beautiful truck.
So tell me, what do you think about this setup?
I love this setup. Like he said, it's just a good looking true truck, you know. I mean, you got a nice 3.5" level on it. You got the 35s on it. It's nothing wild, nothing crazy or anything like that. It's just a good looking, good old boy's truck. It really is. So
hit Jesse up for all. There's plenty of quality salesmen here. Not trying to say that you need to only ask for Jesse, but I mean, he'd be a great source to ask.
But it helps me out a lot.
Help a boy out. But a great looking truck here. All you could ask for and more right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Just come see us for all your accessory needs and hit your boy up to come by it as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.